Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. It's time for another edition of Scootervision. This week we went out to the beach diner in Fernandina Beach where the Amelia Cruisers were holding their monthly cruise in. There weren't very many cars there, but the cars that were there were pretty awesome. So here's the video. Check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Yeah, I think you're probably good right there.
We're showing them at the car show for like 2025, whatever it was. So come on up here if you'd like to get a Amelia Cruisers Club t-shirt.
Alright, good afternoon, YouTube. This afternoon we are out at the Amelia Cruisers monthly cruise-in at the Beach's Diner in Fernandina Beach. We have some pretty awesome cars out here today. I'm just going to take you around, show you what's here. It's early yet, I'm just getting this done early. There may be more cars show up, there may not. We just happy to have a nice day to have it on. So this is really going to be short. There's not a lot of cars here, but you know, there's some pretty awesome ones. I personally love the hood ornament on this one. Look, it's a gator. I love that. So this one's an oddity. It's an Oldsmobile. You don't really see very many of them at car shows, but it's definitely a nice looking one. So, yeah, that was pretty much it. There was just a quick little run through. There's, like I said, it's early yet. There's not a lot of cars here because we weren't supposed to start till like 3, and it's just after 3 now. So there may be more cars show up. There may not. But if they don't, hey, they're missing out. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. I'll keep doing them, and I'll keep going to car shows as long as people are watching. All right, peace out. I'll catch you on the next one. Good afternoon, Facebook. Round 2 for the day. We are at the Amelia Cruisers monthly cruise-in at the Beach Diner. There's a few cars here. There's not very many. I mean, you know, if they don't come out, it's their loss, is what I look at it like. So, I'm going to show you what we do have here. We don't have a lot, but we do have a few pretty awesome cars out here. Nice Galaxy 500. I actually love the hood ornament on this truck. Might have to find me somebody to make one of those for mine. Get the gator on the gator truck. But anyway, this one's kind of odd. It's an Oldsmobile. I mean, it's a very, very good looking Oldsmobile. You don't really see those at car shows very much, so it's kind of an oddity. So, this is going to be just a short, quick little stream because, like I said, there's not a whole lot here right now. But there are some pretty awesome cars here, as you can see. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share wherever you see this video. It always helps out the channel, and as long as people are watching and are liking and my channel's growing, I'm going to continue to go. I'm going to try to go to more different shows, so it would really help if I could get, you know, monetized by YouTube or anywhere for that matter. So, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll keep doing them as long as people keep watching them. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.